Innovation. The word itself conjures images of lightning bolt moments, sudden inspiration striking gifted individuals. But what if I told you that breakthrough ideas don't have to be left to chance? In our last episode, we mastered the art of decision engineering. Today, we're about to transform how you think about creativity itself by exploring the science of systematic innovation. Think about the last time you needed a truly innovative solution. Maybe it was a business challenge, a technical problem, or a creative project. How did you approach it? If you're like most people, you probably relied on brainstorming, hoping inspiration would strike. But here's the thing, hope isn't a strategy. True innovation can be engineered, and today, I'm going to show you how. Recent research from the MIT Innovation Lab has completely revolutionized our understanding of how breakthrough ideas emerge. In a groundbreaking study following 2,000 professionals across 9 months, they discovered something remarkable. Traditional brainstorming approaches produce only 12% unique ideas, with a mere 23% implementation rate, and a disappointing 8% breakthrough solution rate. But when innovation is engineered systematically, everything changes. Unique idea generation jumps to 47%, implementation success scores to 78%, and breakthrough solutions increase to 34%. Let's dive into what's actually happening in your brain during creative problem solving. Contrary to popular belief, innovation isn't about random neural firing, it's about creating specific neural patterns that consistently generate novel solutions. When you understand these patterns, you can engineer them deliberately. The breakthrough came when researchers discovered that innovative thinking isn't primarily about creativity in the traditional sense, it's about system design. Just as a well-designed engine will consistently outperform a more powerful but poorly designed one, a well-engineered innovation system will consistently outperform even the most naturally creative mind operating on instinct alone. This brings us to the Spark framework, a revolutionary approach that's transforming how individuals and organizations generate breakthrough solutions. Spark isn't just another creativity tool, it's a comprehensive system for engineering innovation on demand. Let's break down each component, and understand how it works in practice. The S stands for scope definition, and this is where everything begins. Think of it like focusing a lens. Before you can see clearly, you need to adjust the focus precisely. Scope definition involves 3 critical elements: problem framing, opportunity mapping, and impact assessment. This systematic approach to defining innovation challenges has shown a 91% success rate in directing creative energy effectively. Let me share how this works in practice. When Sarah, a product development leader at a technology company, faced declining market share, her team's initial reaction was to brainstorm new features. But using scope definition, they first created a comprehensive problem frame. They mapped not just the immediate challenge but the entire opportunity landscape. This revealed that their real innovation opportunity wasn't in features at all, it was in user experience. This clarity of scope led to a breakthrough solution that increased market share by 47%. Pattern recognition, the P in Spark, brings scientific rigor to the creative process. Most people think innovation comes from completely new ideas, but research shows that breakthrough solutions often come from recognizing and recombining existing patterns in novel ways. The pattern recognition system includes cross-industry analysis, trend identification, and connection mapping. Here's how pattern recognition transformed Michael's approach to innovation in healthcare. Instead of looking only at medical solutions, his team analyzed pattern databases from fields as diverse as aviation, manufacturing, and customer service. They discovered that the solution to their patient care challenge already existed in the logistics systems used by high-end hotels. By adapting this pattern, they created a breakthrough innovation that reduced patient wait times by 68%. Alternative generation, the AI framework, is where we systematically create potential solutions. But unlike traditional brainstorming, this is a structured process that uses constraint manipulation and possibility expansion to generate viable innovations consistently. The system has shown an 84% success rate in producing implementable solutions. Consider how Jennifer, an architectural designer, used alternative generation to solve an impossible-seeming challenge. Her client needed a building design that was both highly sustainable and unusually cost-effective, requirements that typically conflict. Using systematic ideation tools, she generated 47 potential solutions. By manipulating constraints and expanding possibilities systematically, she discovered a breakthrough approach that achieved both goals, leading to an award-winning design that came in 23% under budget. Refinement process, the R in Spark, transforms raw innovations into practical solutions. This is where many traditional approaches fall short, leaving great ideas stranded in the concept phase. The refinement process includes idea enhancement, concept testing, and rapid prototyping, showing an 89% success rate in turning concepts into reality. The power of systematic refinement becomes clear in David's story. As a software developer, he had created an innovative algorithm, but it was too complex for practical use. Using the refinement process, his team systematically enhanced the core concept while reducing complexity. Through structured testing and rapid prototyping, they transformed a brilliant but impractical innovation into a solution that now powers millions of devices. Knowledge integration, the K in our framework, is what transforms innovation from a one-time event into a continuously improving capability. This system captures learning, improves processes, and scales successful innovations. Organizations implementing knowledge integration show an 86% improvement in innovation capability over time. Let's look at how this all comes together in practice. A tech startup was struggling with their innovation process, generating only 3 viable ideas per month despite having a talented team. After implementing the Spark system, everything changed. Their viable idea generation jumped to 12 per month, implementation success increased by 245%, and market impact improved by 189%. But here's what's really interesting, the improvement wasn't just in the quantity of innovations. The quality and practicality of their ideas improved dramatically. Team members reported feeling more confident in their creative abilities, experiencing less frustration, and having more energy for problem solving. This brings us to the Innovation Enhancement Suite, the practical tools that make systematic innovation possible. Think of it as having a high-performance engine for your creative process. The suite has 3 layers, each with specific tools and purposes. The first layer consists of ideation tools, including pattern recognition AI, connection builders, and constraint optimizers. These tools take the guesswork out of innovation, providing clear pathways to novel solutions. When properly implemented, these tools show an 88% success rate in generating viable innovations. The second layer contains development tools, rapid prototyping systems, testing frameworks, and feedback analyzers. These ensure that good ideas become practical solutions. The success rate for this layer stands at 85%, representing a dramatic improvement over traditional development approaches. The third layer comprises integration tools, implementation planners, scale-up systems, and impact trackers. These tools turn successful innovations into scalable solutions, showing an 83% success rate in system optimization. We saw this complete suite transform a 15-person startup team into an innovation powerhouse. Before implementing the system, they were generating ideas through traditional brainstorming and hoping for breakthroughs. After implementing the complete Innovation Enhancement Suite, their new solution generation increased by 312%, development speed improved by 167%, and market success jumped by 234%. Let me guide you through building your own innovation engineering system. We'll start with Day 1 setup. First, spend 15 minutes installing your basic system structure, setting up your innovation journal, establishing your metrics, and preparing your workspace. The next 20 minutes focus on learning the framework fundamentals, ensuring you understand how each component works together. The final 15 minutes are for tool integration, selecting and organizing the specific tools you'll use for different types of innovation challenges. Day 2 is all about practice. Start with 20 minutes of problem definition, using real challenges you're currently facing. Spend the next 25 minutes on solution generation, applying the Spark framework to create potential innovations. Use the final 15 minutes for concept testing, learning to quickly validate your ideas. Day 3 focuses on optimization. Spend 15 minutes reviewing your initial results and identifying improvement opportunities. Use the next 15 minutes to make system adjustments based on your experiences. The final 15 minutes are for planning how you will scale your innovation capability. Here's what you need to track: idea quantity, how many potential solutions are you generating? Solution quality, how viable are your innovations? Implementation rate, how effectively are ideas being realized? And impact score, what real-world difference are your innovations making? Let's create an innovation right now. Think of a challenge you're currently facing. First, let's frame it properly using scope definition. What's the real problem? What opportunities might we be missing? What impact are we aiming for? Now, let's apply pattern recognition. What similar challenges have been solved in other fields? What trends might be relevant? What connections can we make between seemingly unrelated solutions? Next, let's generate alternatives systematically. Using constraint manipulation, what becomes possible if we remove different limitations? What new solutions emerge when we combine different patterns we've identified? Finally, let's refine our best concepts. How can we enhance these ideas? What quick tests could validate our assumptions? How might we prototype these solutions rapidly? Your challenge for this week is straightforward but powerful. Set up your Spark system, complete your first innovation sprint, and share your results using #InnovationMastery. The community insights you'll gain will be invaluable for your journey. As we wrap up, let's address some common questions about innovation engineering. First, does this system work for all types of innovation challenges? The answer is yes, but the level of detail you apply should match the complexity of the challenge. For simple innovations, you might use a streamlined version of the framework. For major breakthroughs, you'll want to use the complete system. Second, how long does it take to see results? While individual innovations can emerge quickly, the compound benefits of the system become most apparent after about 2 months of consistent use. This is when the knowledge integration component has accumulated enough data to start identifying deeper patterns and opportunities. Third, can this system be used in team settings? Absolutely. In fact, the framework becomes even more powerful when multiple people use it together because it provides a common language and structure for collaborative innovation. Remember, you're not just learning to generate ideas, you're engineering a system that automatically produces breakthrough solutions. The research is clear: engineered innovation is 5.3 times more effective than traditional approaches, with an 82% success rate. Think about what this means for your future. Every great achievement started as an innovation. By engineering your innovation process, you're not just improving your creative capacity, you're transforming your ability to create value in the world. Better innovations compound over time, creating exponentially better outcomes. Next time, we'll explore how to scale success, turning breakthrough innovations into systematic results. But for now, focus on implementing your innovation engineering system. Start with one important challenge, apply the framework, and track your results. Remember, every master innovator started somewhere. The key is to trust the process and begin. Thank you for joining me on this exploration of innovation engineering. Until next time, keep engineering those breakthroughs. Your future self will thank you for the innovations you create today. Remember, success isn't about waiting for inspiration, it's about building systems that consistently generate breakthrough solutions. By implementing what you've learned today, you're not just improving your creativity, you're engineering your path to innovation mastery.